Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can do the noise reduction in the CapCut app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply scroll through your homepage and tap open your CapCut app. Once you open your CapCut app, all you need to do is simply select a new project or an old one. So after you select a project, simply scroll through the options down below, and from there you can find the noise reduction option. So once you find it, you need to simply tap on it, and once you scroll the reduce noise button to the right hand side, the noise reduction will be done. So in this way you can do the noise reduction in the CapCut app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.